If you want to make your work easy, if you are searching for the drill machine, stay on this video.
The durable brushless motor offers 25% more runtime and produces plenty of power. A half-inch ratcheting chuck for improved bit retention and a 2-speed gearbox lets you drill quickly and efficiently. This kit includes 2 powerful V20 20-volt max lithium-ion batteries with state-of-charge indicators and a soft storage bag, as well as an LED light to help provide illumination in dark work areas. When you're finished, store it conveniently within reach. Tackle just about any project with the V20 20-volt max brushless drill driver kit, part of the Craftsman V20.
Introducing Worx Advanced Intelligence Drill, an evolution in tool technology with 3 amazing new features. BitLock automatically centers and locks in bits. Safe Drive senses when the screw is seated and stops the drill for you. And Pulse Assist is anti-slip technology that makes it simple to drill into hard materials and remove stripped screws. AI does the thinking so you can focus on the doing. Worx.
Introducing the next generation of XR Professional Power Tools by DeWalt. The most compact, best-performing brushless drills and impact drivers we've ever designed. The compact drill and impact driver feature optimized brushless motors for up to 30% faster application speeds. The compact drill has a brighter LED light that's up to 20 times brighter and can be used as a 20-minute task light in spotlight mode. The compact impact driver features precision drive torque control, engineered to help prevent stripped fasteners. This drill performs above its size and weight, capable of applications not possible with our last generation XR compact drill. And thanks to the Performance Tune next generation XR brushless motor, applications are performed up to 30% faster. Because when it comes to your workday, faster is better. Both powered by 20-volt max extreme runtime lithium-ion batteries, the DCD791, DCD796, and DCF887, with next-generation DeWalt XR brushless motors, designed to meet your needs, engineered to outperform, and built guaranteed tough by DeWalt.